Most people in North America can't afford an Audi RS3 Sportback. We at least have the RS3 sedan to play with, but long roof fans across the pond can get an even hotter RS3 from ABT Sportsline in Germany. Here is the ABT RS3R. Before continuing the video, please click subscribe and turn on the notification button. What comes with this package, besides a name with an extra R? ABT turns the RS3's turbocharged 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine up to 500 horsepower, 368 kilowatts. The increase comes from a new intercooler, an ABT engine control unit, and a better exhaust system that makes the 5-cylinder engine's distinctive howl sound even better. ABT says that the torque goes up to 600 Newton-meters, 443 pound-feet, which means that the car can go from 0 to 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, in 3.3 seconds. The tuner can also change the RS3 speed limiter from 155 miles per hour to 186 miles per hour. You can get more than just power adders for the RS3, or ABT adds its own springs and stabilizer bars to the suspension in standard trim. You can choose to get a setup that can be changed in every way. With these parts, the front and back ride heights of the RS3 are dropped by up to 1.5 inches. The Audi brakes are the same, but the 20-inch wheels are made by ABT and have Goodyear Eagle F1 Supersport ARC tires on them. The RS3R looks good because it has a lot of carbon fiber parts.